market. It's like a fair that we are having for the people that are doing the camp working. Yes, agriculture fair. That's right. And here is my future house. Here to your right side, you see. Here to your right side is my future house. The one that is mainly because they want to take the big ship to here and to take the containers to the other side, to the Pacific side. In the Pacific side, we are having two other main ports. Those are Punta Arenas and Caldera. But if we are going to be having that mega port, we need to construct a bigger road to transport the containers because of the big amounts of trucks that we are going to be needing at that moment. Ahora que recuerdo. De 48 pues. We were talking about criminality here in Costa Rica. Well, we are having a lot of people that are coming from some other countries that are causing a big problem here to our peace here in Costa Rica. Even okay, so we were lucky to have opportunity to see the one. And there to your right side, those trees that are right there are the one that I was talking about. And here there is a electrical plant that we are having. Can you see? That is electrical plant that we are having here close to the refinery. But as I said before, we are not using anymore the refinery as used to be before because the petroleum has increased the price. So we are importing the gasoline and some other products. Even we used to buy petroleum to Venezuela, the nearest country to us was the country that we used to import or to buy petroleum, but now we are electrical kitchen or some other products. So it depends on the products that you are having, because our average temperature here most of the time is like a 70-80 Fahrenheit degrees. Yeah. Anyway, my friends, excuse me again. Looking here to your left and to your right side, what we're having here is a banana plantation. Look at this big banana plantation that we are having, but the one is not as big as some other banana plantations that we are having around the country. Costa Rica is a very small country, but we have been producing banana for almost like 200 years. Let's say like 1.5 years we have been producing bananas here in Costa Rica. We used to be producing a lot of coffee here in Costa Rica, but after coffee was the banana. So that is the reason why continuously we are producing bananas all year long. We are not having a special time of the year to be producing bananas. Along the entire year we are producing bananas. Also, you can see that the plant, all of the plantation is having a lot of canals. Can you see that the plantation is having a lot of canals? Okay, a reason why the plantation is having a lot of canals is mainly because the banana plant is a plant that needs a lot of humidity. This place where we are having a lot of humidity, but the one needs dry soils. And a reason why we were constructing the railroad wasn't to transport the banana, was to take the coffee from the Central Valley to the nearest port. To the area where they need to take the banana to the boxes. Friends, it's interesting because have been dry during the last couple of days. During the last couple of days have been dry here, but in some places sometimes we can see a lot of water covering part of the banana plantations. And it's mainly because of a river that is close to here. Sometimes all of that area there down, sometimes that area down is full of water. Sometimes. And it's mainly because of the river that is close here called Chiripo River, right here. You can see all of this area around here sometimes is covering all of this area of water. The river is so strong, the one right here. It's one of the strongest river that we are having here in Costa Rica. Can you see the one? Look at the big trunks that are near to the river. Do you see? And sometimes this river is almost like a touching this bridge. Because, can you see? Sometimes all of this area have been covered by water. Can you see? And it's too common to see houses that have been constructed by wood, not by concrete. Some of the houses here have been constructed by wood. Maybe you saw to your right side different species of plants a couple minutes ago. All of those plants that you saw a couple minutes ago to your right side, the ones were ornamental plants. The ones were ornamental plants mainly because here we are producing a lot of ornamental plants to export to the United States and some European countries. Oh, my friends, I need to say something important about perfecto, ¿no? Que es que sí, yo prefiero nada más montes y vallas, se van de los cuatro. Sí, perfecto. Ya me está bien. ¿Cómo se llama? El del coche, yo creo que no lo voy a ocupar, ¿va?
we are the next group on the next gondola. So please, let's move a little bit forward. These are heliconias, like the one, exactly. Different kind of heliconias. In our country, in fact, madam, there is around 45 to 50 different heliconias species. So just to explain a little bit, right here we have Victor and Oldemar. They are the tram operators. So in order to respect them, right? So, Oldemar.
Okay, so can I have your name?
My name is Freddy. I am the logistics supervisor of the park. Welcome to the Rainforest Aerial Tram. I hope that the whole group enjoy a lot. The first activity that the group is going to do is going to be the aerial tram. It's going to be for around an hour 15 minutes, hour 20 minutes, and the sun is just behind of us. We are going to make smaller groups of 6 people for the tram, and they will go with one of our naturalist guides.
Okay, thank you. How long you've been here?
I have been here with the company for about 6 years.
6 years?
Yes, sir. I started working as a tourist guide, but I work promoted as a coordinator.
You speak very good English.
Thank you, and my Spanish is better just for you.
My Spanish is not.
No, good. Nothing in Spanish. Okay, no problem.
Unbelievable. We are lucky that because there is not rain right now.
No, we are not called rainforest for nothing, but the weather today is perfect.
It's nice. It's nice. I'll be back tomorrow. Not tomorrow, next year. Okay.
You have to come back because one day is not enough to enjoy in Costa Rica.
Exactly. You're right. Okay, one second. You see the people are going there.
You can see the groups.
You can stay there.
They will go with one of our naturalist guides that is going to be interpreting the forest. The tour is about the forest, not just about animals, because it's not easy to see the animals all the time.
Thank you, sir. I see you later.
Con caliente, sí, cierto. The earth saver.
¿Y ahora qué es esta letra? Anda.
No, esta es de Freddy.
Ah, pero qué bonita, vamos.
No, yo tengo la mía.
That's very nice hat. It's original.
It's different. That's the only one like that.
Coming from America?
No, from the States.
Yeah. Okay.
We're in America.
We are American, yes. Yes, you can put my name over there.
You have another card so I can find it? Great.
Yeah. I like Israel.
I love it.
What city you live? In Jerusalem. Beautiful. Beautiful.
I'm lucky.
It's first time I've been there, but
Is that right?
yes, it's first time I was there last September. But I'm gonna go next year again.
It's fantastic. I'm very lucky to be living here.
Yes.
I'm very forest, so that's very good. We're gonna get a little bit close to see our front operator.
Good.
Just behind us. Just keep moving. Dragonfly, the red The dragonfly is for the front. This aerial tram has been here for 24 years. A long time. It was the first one in Costa Rica when they built this. And they use the helicopters, so they made 22 gondolas.
Vamos a meterlo, pero
Every 2 minutes we have one.
sí, vamos a meter al señor y a la señora van a ir al frente.
Is this first time in Costa Rica for all of you? Not for you?
Dos al frente,
You have been to the
ellas dos
capital
atrás
city.
y ellos dos en
And
medio.
now the rainforest.
You are going to take them from here?
First time for you.
And you too going to be here?
Yeah, we have a lot of orchids.
This
Today
border,
we're very
we're going to
lucky.
step
We're going to get
on
to
board.
one of the...
My friend from Israel.
Yes.
I'm looking for you. See you soon.
Ready.
I see.
All right, here we go.
Yeah. You have seen the country from...
I don't see nothing like this.
Oh, but this is lower.
Mira, es que marca estoy, ¿no?
One day flower.
Mr. Reese is going to be your guy. You are going to be a very good hand, all right?
Okay.
Hello. Bye-bye. See you next week, my friends, okay?
Okay. Bye.
Bueno, es que está
¿Dónde
grabando,
está?
pero...
Sí,
esa misma.
Oh, you're saying?
Y me cas. Pues...
Yeah, I know you. Meet you in the forest.
Sí.
Had to have a meeting.
Take a look at that.
Sensational laughter followed up there.
I like this, yeah. But I'm just trying to figure out what that means. I know that depending on the tattoo, it's a different meaning.
The scientists, well, I don't remember the name of them, but they discovered, or they were able to create a bulletproof vest from a specific spider web.
I will see you.
They were from
Kevlar.
well,
Wow, this is crazy.
well, we're gonna be flying for around an hour and 20 minutes.
Wow.
We're going to be passing the 3 different layers of the forest. We're going to start with the understory, which is the part that goes from the forest floor till 30 feet up, or 10 meters, 30 feet up. Then we're going to be passing the sub-canopy, which is like the middle of the trees. And in the way back, we are going to be flying the upper part of the forest that it's known as canopy. And the highest point that we're going to be passing by, it's going to be around 110 feet or close to 35 meters.
Hang on this part of the forest yet?
But yeah, well, today we didn't see them in the first ride, but they are everywhere, so we might be lucky.
But they'll be on any level of the forest?
Yes, they go from the first floor till the treetops. Something important to mention is that the most venomous snakes are going to be in the forest floor.
The yellow one?
Exactly, that's one of the quite good examples. Those 2 species, let's say, sadly, that we are gonna get bitten by, we will have less than an hour to reach the antidote. Señor, hello people. A pleasure, you almost reached it. Muy bien, muy bien.
What's the name of this snake? Is it venomous?
It is eyelashed pit viper.
Really?
Yeah.
It's next to the cafe.
Yeah, and main clue of a venomous snake, it's gonna be up on the wings. So they are going to reflect the light, the sunlight, in a blue, light blue, even a purple color.
Is anything poisonous here? Like if I touch a plant, is that a good idea?
No, we don't, I mean, in terms of plants, we do have chemical plants, but in order to have a problem with them, you will have to eat them, you will have to chew them.
Okay.
You will have to make teas and drink them.
The snakes here. You don't need you don't need any plants.
About exactly plants because you have enough poisonous snakes. Actually, in the country we have 140 different species of snakes, 22 are venomous species, which are almost everywhere.
Yeah, I remember reading about saying there's more poisonous. There's so many snakes here, everywhere, right?
Yeah.
One of the biggest amount of snakes in the world are here.
Yeah, even though we're a tiny country, 52,000 square kilometers, the quantity of snakes are way good, way good.
Do you get them in the city at all?
Yeah, even in the big city. Actually, in our capital city, San Jose, you can have boa constrictor, which is the biggest non-venomous snake, reaching 12 feet. But because
a boa constrictor?
Yeah, they're quite good. But because you're from Florida, so you know how to handle python, so you will help your state, right?
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Yeah. Awesome place.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Did you go to the dam as well?
Yeah. Actually, it was a whole day tour. I was in Vegas, so I wanted to.
I love going to Vegas.
Yeah, that's why.
Great city.
That's why I almost married.
And I don't gamble. I just like seeing everything there.
Yeah, and the shows they have. Seeing Celine Dion, it's one of
the
most amazing things that I've ever done.
You should see Andrea Bocelli.
Oh yeah, he's way good. But yeah, I saw Boyz II Men, Mariah Carey, Celine Dion. They're
all good.
David Copperfield, it's incredible.
Right. And then remember what was the guys with the white tigers? Remember those
he
guys?
got chewed up.
He got chewed up on stage, right?
What are the 3 levels called again?
Okay, understory.
Understory.
Yeah. Floor is 4 till 10 meters. Then sub-canopy and canopy.
What's the difference between the 2nd and 3rd canopy?
Yeah, well, the sub-canopy...
Sub-canopy.
Yeah, you're going to be reaching 15 meters till 30, 35 meters.
So it's forest floor, sub-canopy, and the last one's called what?
Canopy.
Just normal canopy?
Exactly.
Okay.
And then the emergent, but you don't reach more than 100 meters, so we don't reach it. Something about that you're going to be checking today is that during the day, the rainforest, it's going to be a quite silent place and let's say quite peaceful, relaxing, kind of a scary peacefulness, by the way, because I mean there are a couple of things over there not so friendly, but sounds are not going to be quite common. At night or afternoon hours is when the party starts, let's say. During the day, the wildlife is just going to be resting or sleeping. And if it's quite hot, you just want to avoid the sun. And afternoon hours and nighttime, it's when the party club place is going to start.
When the monkeys come out, huh?
Yeah, pretty much.
That's right.
So,
you can hear them coming.
At night, it's when you're going to have so many things of killing, murdering, exactly, having fun with someone else, pretty much at night. But during the day, sometimes just the cicadas are going to be the creatures that are going to be producing a sound like.
So what's the largest predators you have here, animals?
Okay, the most complicated one would be a jaguar and puma.
Right.
Those are the 2 species of wildcats that people have seen in the park. We think there must be an ocelot, which is a little tiny
I bought a girlfriend an ocelot coat one.
That would be one of the probably common wildcats. Well, about the wildlife that we have seen in the park, there are 3 different species of monkeys: white-face, spider ones, and howler's monkeys.
Oh, howlers, right?
Howlers are quite fantastic, interesting because the powerful vocal cords they have.
I've heard them.
Yeah, it's so amazing that 2 miles far away and you can be able to listen to them even though you think they're very close to you.
Right. What do they use the walkway for? To maintain
Well, so exactly, right now, we just use it for maintenance. Done 4 weeks to digest a meal.
Oh my God.
That's
What
why
do they eat?
younger leaves, because they're going to be a little bit easier to digest them. So
they can find it.
Exactly.
Because they could actually eat when they're starving, but actually die of starvation before the nutrients hit the...
Yeah, it's such a...
That's very
such
interesting.
a process. That's why they are not lazy because they want to be lazy. It's because they need to be lazy.
Absolutely.
Because the process of food is so complicated for them. They know how to swim, by the way.
Really? I didn't know that.
And it's such an incredible symbiosis that you're going to have.
Do they slow swimmers too?
Well, a little bit. They move a little bit faster than the way they walked.
Are they nocturnal or are they daylight?
Both ways. Yeah, we have the 2-toe sloth, which is a little bit more active at night, and the 3-toe is going to be during the day. but it's way interesting. Picture yourself sleeping 16 hours, eating 5 hours, then scratching yourself 3 hours more. That's the cycle of nature for them. There are two examples of symbiotic relationship in a sloth. One, it's gonna be with the fungus that it's gonna create, but it's gonna be growing on them. They are going to look green because there's gonna be an algae that is gonna grow on the skin. So they tend to look a little bit green, like moss. So it's gonna help them to camouflage. Exactly. The relationship, it's going to be with the moths and insects that are gonna be living on them. It's gonna be a hotel, let's say, and those mosquitoes and insects are going to take out all the parasite things that are gonna grow on him. So he's gonna give him a space in order to live, and he's gonna receive protection. Two elements working together at the same time, it is called symbiotic relationship.
Is this something that the
It's the family. It has some purple berries that if you eat them, your tongue will be purple for a couple of minutes. People call it cuddle's tongue. And the shape and design is way interesting.
feel like cross check on the beach? How tall are the tallest trees in here?
We're gonna be passing one which is around 40 meters, 130 feet probably, which are broccoli trees. We're gonna be seeing it in this opening area. Those trees that they look like they've been...
Oh, like a broccoli, absolutely, right.
Yeah, that's
do,
why
don't
the
they?
name.
Yeah.
That's why the name.
Kind you see in Africa.
Yeah, by the way, quite close with the ones with those cases, I believe.
Yeah.
The ones from Africa.
Oh, that's
look at that tree.
That is pretty.
Yeah, there are a couple of streams and creeks. All the water, well, by the way, we have done tests and there's any kind of a chemical presented. In a special situation, we can drink it. Of course, it would be better if we boil it first, because we're not accustomed to the microorganisms presented, but definitely it will help us quite a lot. And I will show you some water vines that we cut them and we drink them quite easy. You don't have to boil it even.
The white flowers down there, what are they?
Okay, those are orchids. It's the flower of the day orchid. Sometimes, depending on how hot it is, you're gonna have to wait for 4 to 5 months in order to have a 16-hour in the blooming time.
Really?
Then they die.
Wow.
Today it's the day because there are so many white flowers
beautiful.
that we're
I love
seeing.
orchids.
Yeah. And well, the country is quite famous, and there are so many miniature orchids that everywhere.
Do you get many fires from lightning strikes?
No, over here it's, let's say, evergreen place, and it's a rainy mountain. So
is this the middle part now? The sub canopy?
Yeah, this is pretty much what the sub canopy is.
I'm trying to spot snakes. You see that thing down there? I don't know if that's like a snake or a log. Did you see it? It's like a...
Okay, you're gonna direct my laser, like, where do I move?
It's like down on the floor.
Oh, I see. Way down.
Over there?
Yeah.
In the 1992, the company started to build the place, and it took them 2 years in order to open the operations. And they went, well, the previous owners, they went to Canada to talk to some of those companies that were able to...
You haven't touched any of these?
Yeah, the picture is going on. It's really cool.
Give me 5.
Decided to create the place,
So
and it took them 2 years.
No, unless you consume it.
Unless you find a snake upon it, but it's kind of not so easy.
I like the sound of this one.
Is there anything particular about these, like vines or stringy vines going down the trees, or they just...
from top to bottom, the majority of them, or they go from bottom to top, but that would be parasite vines. And some of those vines are quite good if you want to create weaker furniture,
Right.
then as well as ropes, they will help you quite a lot. Some other ones, well, will give you the water.
Yeah, there, those little...
Those tiny ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are tiny leaves. The family, let me just think about. White and yellow, that's the most common species from the flowers of the day, which are quite very in color. Sometimes the black is the majority of them. Something particularly important to mention about the mushroom. They become hunters and they go with meat. They can hunt little rodents.
Really?
Yeah. Even though they look quite cute and in beauty, they become crazy and wild. Well, at least we see something. Carnivorous, they can take part of our skin so easy with big mandibles they have. They're quite nice.
Do you have black snakes? A black snake?
Well, we have definitely a couple of black snakes, but I don't think sure it will be the same species you have.
I just saw what looked like a black snake back just there, but I just caught it and it was gone. So.
Interesting. Well, yeah, we do have some musuranas, which is the name, or well, probably one of the coral snakes, which not all of them are going to be red and yellow at the same time.
That's right. Was it red and yellow can kill a fellow?
Exactly. That's the best example or sentence from a coral snake.
But they chew as opposed to bite, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look, that lizard. See there on the left?
One of the brown ones?
Yeah.
It was just
the
having a
size.
samba.
Samba. Okay.
It is a little bit hot, definitely. In the.
Yep. So these vines going down, tap.
Yeah.
Look at the vines on the left. Just coming down.
The understory now. From top to bottom, multiple those straight vines, they belong to epiphyte plants. We have two species of airplanes. Epiphytes are, let's say, the good ones. They are just gonna take a little piece of the tree and they're just gonna live in quite a friendly way. Examples, bromeliads and orchids. And the ones that are not quite good are gonna be the parasite planes, because the aerial roots they are gonna have, they are gonna hog the tree in not a lovely way, and they're gonna be squeezing the tree little by little.
Eventually they'll kill the tree.
Oh, exactly. They may kill trees quite easy, let's say. Well, in terms of so many years, right? There are some readings that are expressing that in a rainforest area, the big and old trees are going to have some high leaves. They look like real puppets. And
if you kiss them, bingo.
You may have a problem, exactly, because it contains lots of alkaloids. So the hummingbird book says that the pollinators of that plant, which are going to be some hummingbirds, where they are drinking the nectar, they are drinking as well the alkaloids.
It was fun, England, just before I know. I liked it. Sup? Is that a cigar?
Yes.
No, Rockham's in
no, yeah, it is not. It is one of the lasers.
No.
Yeah.
Disappointed.
No, Carlitos, dijeron tucanes en el 8. Bueno, it's quite hot now. And right now in Utah, are you still getting snow or you just...
Yeah, we had snow
Apparently
a couple
we
days.
just had snow,
Yeah.
Still in there?
Well, we had it for about 3 weeks.
In February.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of strange with
dry year.
Yeah, on January I was in New Orleans and there were a couple of days that, well, the airport was cold weather, but yeah, it was cold.
But that humid and cold is brutal.
Yeah, it's kind of not quite thing. There's a little termite nest over there.
Yeah.
There are a couple of things you should know about termites. Well, one is that you can eat them, you can fry them, or even alive, because they're gonna help you with the proteins your body needs. And if you fire the nest, the smoke, the smell of it is gonna be a natural repellent against insects. Of course, I wouldn't eat them, so I'm just telling you that if you are lost in a rainforest, you should survive with termites, but I know that it would be a bizarre food.
Try something else first if possible.
Yeah, try to find some wild fruits or... I'm just gonna squeeze it a little bit and I'm gonna give it to you. Smell it, madam.
Oh, goodness.
Smells like kerosene.
It smells like buttermentos. Is this what it's meant to be? Like
we call it kerosene tree, and that's the one you can use it to light a fire with. Just squeeze it.
Nice, we're so high up.
Right now we're gonna go from 20 meters, 620 feet, like this.
Sweet.
Producing a sound in our left.
And the tree over there. It's hard to see if it goes through. Look, down there too on the left.
Yeah.
See him bouncing around.
Costa Rica. Bochisia aleni, it's the scientific name, or broccoli tree. It's a soft wood because they are fast growers. They know that they gotta reach the upper part of the forest to reach the sunlight, which is gonna be 90% consumed at the highest point. And this is what
Maybe they jump down.
If we get stopped up here. Quite safe, that I will give a closer look of the rainforest in second training. Good and safety way.
1, 3,
Come on,
2, 1.
Is that smiley guy?
No, you're not. They give us a good smile.
Notice it.
Yeah,
I'm on there.
credits.
No.
Oh, that one's alright.
Oh, they're good?
I should do it that one. Hang on, let me find the others. That one's okay.
Yeah, just in case.
I don't. Is it the photographer or the model? What do you guys think?
She's got a smile. She has a very pretty smile. She's got to smile more.
It's a whole. Oh wait, click, 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 click. And
Oh, that's perfect, yeah.
okay, put your arm back up. Okay, try that.
Well, it'd be better if the light was.
Yeah.
I know, right? I know.
Can we get some light? Light, please, over here. Come on, let's get. Okay, you go to just go through them all. Okay, so
You might be a movie star someday. We can.
I know, she's very focused, right? And they just circle ready to.
Yeah, a lot of vultures are quite good at the icing and just powerful sense of smelling they get.
Yeah.
They can smell a rotten meat 2 miles far away from them.
What, the birds?
Yeah, those specific vultures. There are 4 species in Costa Rica and they are so incredible. Over here, nobody likes them because they say that it's so nasty, the job they had, but quite important for our ecosystem.
The group, right? You tell me you've never heard of that. Oh, come on now. Oh, big.
You ever heard of the Beatles?
Yeah.
Okay.
Have you? That's amazing.
Beatles are not our supplies.
You're both very fine.
They're awesome.
She's been giving me a hard time because I didn't recognise Chris Byrne.
Oil.
Midnight oil.
My dad doesn't listen to that. It's fine, you guys. Just wait if you want. Your my name? Tatiana? Women usually understand that.
Oh, listen. No, she's telling me a little while ago I'm not supposed to be sexist.
Yeah, that's the kind of frame. Yeah, that's the kind of frame.
But she's further back.
But you're gonna have quite a really good view of the photography. So everybody take out your phones because we're gonna photograph a lot.
Yeah, you got a good view. I'm just like mid acting in that way.
Okay.
So how old are you, Tanya?
21.
And how long have you been traveling?
I moved out at 19 and lived in a different part of Australia for 10 months, and then it's been 1 year today since I left Australia.
Your parents let you do this?
She's a big girl.
Yeah, it's not like a validation kind of relationship. I'm more just like tell them what's up, and then they're like, okay, be safe kind of thing. And stuff. So it's like 3.5 months, and then my birthday is in December.
I got like 200-300 people.
Yeah.
That's really nice.
That's cool.
Not too close.
Oh wow, what a view.
No big lines.
Yeah, no standing in line.
Oh sweet.
Yeah, that's
just like common parts, right? Yeah.
This is sick. What a sick view. Oh my gosh.
Country that most of everybody over here are talking about, and people, foreigners are talking about. Iceland, I believe it's
I've heard that everybody wants to go to Iceland now.
But there sounds
cold to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody's saying that that's a magical place, and it's kind of curious. I was watching the CNN.
Birthday, so I hopped over from there, so I'm making the most of this. Close to, like, it's still, opportunities are still open-ended because you could still go somewhere and then meet someone and then go to like another country, but I guess like, you know, an agenda of like take up a sport again and have like friends that you could constantly see, or like some sort of, I don't know, job or something to do more, maybe career-wise or something.
Yeah, there's another. We have animals, moose, elk.
Oh, sweet.
You'll see moose open. There's a picture of Highland. That's my backyard right there. Too. Like the mountains. That's looking out my backyard.
No way.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
I'll show her some lake house pictures here. You know, like.
It takes 6 months to develop.
3 months in order to have breeding time, and it's gonna just last 15-16 hours.
Oh. Why is that? What's its purpose?
Well, that's cycle of nature for those specific organs.
Oh my god.
Does it serve any purpose, do you know? Just part of that ecosystem.
Do you know any like facts you can tell us about this rainforest?
The rainforest is one of the magical places on earth. Source of water, clean water, a source of pure air. Costa Rica sells air to the world. Some European countries are
than tourists. In other words, or is there anything you take out of the rainforest? That's all, you just leave it to...
We just leave it as the way. I mean, we just work in a cooperative way.
Do you do any research?
No. Are we doing that with you?
Probably the manager is going to tell us your next activity, if you're going to have to walk or if your schedule is quite tight.
Well, hopefully we can walk,
Yeah,
at least a little.
I really want to.
That's why we wanted to come here.
What time do we leave though?
The two guys over there, so probably just going to tell us that's the Facebook.
Okay, ready?
Smile.
Cheers. Yeah, I really wonder. What time do we have to like head off though on the boat?
Stand, be careful. Don't bang your head.
I don't know, what time do you be back at the ship, you know?
Yes, sir, I want to see the flowers. Thank you.
Remember that was talking about your...
Next are the caterpillars and later are the pupas and the dure ones. But I can let you know that the dure ones here are living not for a long time, for a short time, because the weeds and the ones are so sensitive to the water, to the wind and branches, etc. But we are having a couple pictures of the ones. This one is for the first station has the one at the top. Look, can I help you? Okay, right here at the top, but at the same time you look up the top, you can see some other ones being flying.
I see them up there.
What time are we leaving?
Monarchs don't get this far south, do they?
Huh?
Monarch.
Yeah, are from here.
They are?
Yeah, they are from here. Even it's interesting, thank you for your question, because Costa Rica is from the north side, the south side. Which generation there is living? The south side.
Nancy.
I want Central Valley, actually. Singapore.
These butterflies are like the fishes are having scales. The graceful ones are having scales.
Okay.
Unbelievable.
Just like human.
And remember the half leaf?
Yeah.
Come here. Try to have a close view of the half leaf. Right here to your right side, you are having an excellent view of the half leaf. And the half leaf attract a lot the butterflies and the colibris too. Yes, those are the ones I was talking about before when we were at the top.
They're not as bright red though.
Well, it's interesting because you can see we are having many ones, but it's mainly because of the shadow. The butterflies are starting to be coming inside. You can write that up. There are a couple ones. Excellent. You can have an excellent view of the morphle butterfly right there up, having the wings totally open. Look up right there up.
It's right here?
Yeah, look up right there at the top.
Oh yeah.
You can have one of the best view of the morphle butterfly having the wing open.
Yes, that's lovely.
You see how attractive it is?
Yeah. The blue one. Yeah.
And there are the other side is another one, but it's another species of morphle because you can see the color of the one is having a brown color.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we can take this way, ladies. Okay. Well, right there at the front, maybe we can All right.
I'll see you next year. Thank you very much.
I hope you enjoyed it. You will stay here. It was a beautiful day today. You are invited to return back to our rainforest here. It's one of the beautiful places that you can be visiting here in Costa Rica. We give you an excellent service to you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay,
you
my
are
friends.
so kindly.
Thank you. We try to do the best for you, my friends.
Thank you.
You are our best client here.
Okay, I'll be back next year.
Perfect. Invite your friends at the same time, my friends, okay?
Okay,
All of
sure.
your friends are invited to come here to Costa Rica to enjoy this attraction that we are having here, the Aerial Tram.
To get the good services.
Thank you, my friends.
You're very welcome.
Mañana llega Steven, allá Steven. Mañana usted hable con Steven. Mañana hable con Steven, usted.
friends, so I hope you enjoyed it. The real chocolate, all right? That was a real chocolate. But also, let me answer a special question that many of you have been asking me. You have seen a pipe, is right?
Yes.
Okay. That pipe has been used mainly to transport the gasoline from Limon to Cartago and another place in the Central Valley. Because years ago, people were trying as much as possible not to be using the trucks to transport the diesel and the gasoline and some other products. But now, they are not using a lot that system. They are using the trucks. So that is another reason why we are full of